Hello friends of the Lily Pad. Do another quick video here tonight. Some more cars, another collection I purchased. This will be kind of an unboxing video of sorts. We've got I think over 100 cars here. Shouldn't take too long, maybe not quite that many. There's some Redlines. We'll get to those probably last. Matchbox, and then a few pretty nice Blackwall cars. So we're going to get right into it. I'm going to open this up first, see what falls out. They're all going to fall out. Alright, I'm just going to lay it down here. There's some pretty nice cars in here. And we're just going to start right in. I don't know the names of all of them, so apologies. It's race car, Malibu, kind of an Indy car, pretty decent. And this is the Ford Fairmont, number 27. Like a 40 Ford Woody. Says a high raker. The raker's pretty worn out of it. And there's a couple of campers here. The Toyota camper. Mini Trek. That's the brown one, the tan. And then this is the white one. And then we got the Palm Beach motorhome. Too bad it's not a Redline. Plastic bottom. Got this dump truck. These beds never stayed on very well. And the number 5. Of course, they couldn't call it the one we know it all is. Second Wind speed racer car. Dodge Marauder Stalker. And the old Chevy square body. This truck had many names over the years. Roll bar's still there in pretty good shape. The Datsun Z-Wiz. Kind of a flat silver color. Look how the tempo is off. And we got the City Gazette City Bus. And we got old number 5. Been to a few fires, it looks like. Got the Hulk van. Pretty decent shape. Got the paddy wagon. It's the enamel version, silver interior, plastic bottom. One of the last versions of that car. And this one here, Teetotaler. What is it, a 56 Ford pickup or something? High tail hauler or something like that. Looks like the spiders are living inside of it. A trucking C cab dump. And we got this big dozer. And that's it for that box. Get these out of the way. Just going to do the rest tray by tray. I'm going to do some matchboxes now. And some of these kid painted purple Ford Corsair. This one's pretty cool still. Super fast Pontiac Grand Prix Sports Coupe. Definitely seen better days. Lamborghini Marzel. Dodge dump truck. Mercedes ambulance. Field car. You have to break out that spare. Pretty good shape. I think this is one of the only cars that have the tires that fall off and the movable steering. GMC refrigerator truck. Of course, the door's gone. Spiders in this one too. Ferrari Berlinetta. Spoke wheels. Square body ambulance. There's something inside. There he is. We're looking for him. Did not see that before. Haven't really looked at these, just glanced at them. The Mercedes scaffold truck. Whatever this thing is. Some kind of bird. I think that was a McDonald's giveaway. Not sure. This is part of the heavyweights. Pretty nice. Dump truck. Let's see, I want to interfere with the... Okay, moving right along. These are a little nicer cars. The Boss Mustang. And we got a Maxi Taxi. This is a Roll-O-Matic. A little peg hits the engine, makes it move around. Mercury Capri. Pretty nice for, well, got a broken back window. It's been one of those riots. Ford police car, otherwise it's pretty nice shape. And this fire chief car. Studebaker Lark Wagonaire. Let's have a retractable roof. And one of the rear end's blown out. This one looks like Lamborghini Mira. And another Marzal. Kind of a peachy pink color. Freeman Intercity Commuter. Matchbox. These are all Matchboxes so far. And the Mercedes 450 SCL. Opening doors. And here's our first imposter. It's a Yap Ming Ford station wagon with wood on the side. About a 71 or 2. Got the Porsche 928. Pretty nice. Black. Opening doors. Porsche insignia on the front. Got the Esso Extra Petro London bus. Number 74. Got the Volkswagen van. Both doors. Low roof. Looks like somebody had a stripe on it at one time. And let's see what we got in here. We've got Greyhound bus. And we've got the Ford Zodiac. Might clean up a little bit. It's got that spare tire in the front. Looks like another maybe Yap Ming or something. Imposter. Corvette. And got the Petro tanker. Of course, the interior's gone. They just snapped onto the axle. Didn't last long normally. Got another Zephyr here. And I'm not sure what this is. Some kind of a Nissan, I believe. Just says made in China. Doors do open. Did a lot of Tamica copies. And there's a red one to match it. Definitely a Nissan. Still has doors opening. Sunshine, it says. And there's a third one, blue version. It's like the same car in blue. Interesting sunroofs. Pretty decent detail for a little cheapo. Back to Matchbox. Good old grit spreader to slide out. Gray Ford cab. And here we have a Husky. Husky kind of became or was bought out by Corgi. Interesting action there on the old garbage refuse truck. And we have Sight Hut truck. Obviously dropped the Sight Hut off, so it's gone. And we got one of these cabs. I don't remember what they're called. Next tray. We've got this. Is a Honda Prelude. Pretty cool. Road Champs. Interesting car. Hot Wheels. VW Bug. A lot of VWs in this tray. Other Hot Wheels, newer New Beetle. Newer Matchbox. Interestingly enough, this thing has rubber oils. A little bit better detail. Probably came out of a set of some kind. And here we have Volkswagen number 31. This is a vintage car. Very nice condition. Here we have a summer brand Rolls-Royce. Not bad detail. Another little cheapy car. And here we have a number 6. Rear end's blown out of it. Super fast. Transitional. Ford pickup. Cap has gone missing. She's got a few miles on her. Volkswagen 1500 Saloon. And same thing in red. If I'm not mistaken, the red one was never a regular wheel. Correct me if I'm wrong. A couple more New Beetles. This looks like a Maisto. And another Hot Wheel. Oh, this is a Matchbox. Excuse me. Newer Matchbox. Kind of a funky shape to it almost. I think this is one of the prototype ones. And last but not least in this tray is this Yap Ming Chevy pickup. I believe there's other versions of this that have an opening tailgate. This one does not. I love the detail on the grille and the interior. Must be one of the later versions. Definitely has the later wheels you'll see on Yap Ming's. Alright, moving right along. We've got this is a Setra coach in yellow. I believe that's a rare color. Very pretty, very nice condition. And it's going to be a little difficult to get out of the trays sometimes. Come on. We've got this one here. This is a later version too. I have the wrong glasses on. I can't see these things. And we got a pretty nice Rolls-Royce. Larger tires. These come with a smaller tire and a larger tire. And these tires are hollow in the back and side. Opening trunk. And we got the Ford Transit pickup, English, with the load intact. Matchbox team racing car. Ford Cortina. Very nice, super fast. And here we have the Play Art truck with a load. Real nice shape. Wildcat. Ford. Somebody's chewing on the trailer hitch. Mustang. A couple of Ford GTs. English Ford. Number 6 racing car. And then oddly, so this is a black base model. And this one, very similar car, has this kind of a greenish base, which I believe is a little bit rare version. Pretty nice shape. And we got, I believe this is the Commer milk float. Pretty good shape. Got old Bessie right there on the door. And we got Pointer. Dump truck. And then we got Clipper. Again, this is also Roll-O-Matic. All right, got one more tray of these. Let me get into the Redlines. Got this old kennel truck here. Still has the grill intact. Usually they're long gone. This is a little bit newer, Hot Wheels, Porsche. There's a few race cars here. Looks like most of them are Yap Ming's metal base. Got that one. That one. These are different castings too. This one, these probably came in a set. This one says Ferrari on it. And this one says Lola. This said Ferrari. Didn't see what the other one said. BRM. And this one says Hesketh 308. Oddly, they all have drivers. Interesting. Got a Matchbox police bus. Got a Matchbox 300ZX. Nice model. Love all the glass. And we got the Hot Wheels mail truck. Pretty nice shape. Got a Matchbox horse box. This is the newer version. Well, there's somebody inside. I wonder who it could be. Oh. Wow, horses. Got the old snow plow. Of course, the plow is missing. Hey, we take it off in the summertime, you know. And we got this little Hot Wheels. And so let's see here. Starting on some of these old Redlines in here. We got, I think there's 2 of these. The hood. This is one in gold. Pretty cool. The sliding roof going on there. And this one, I don't know if the hood's gone missing. I thought I heard that later on the hood was not, the slider part was not in there on the newer ones. This is the enamel version. Don't quote me. And we have iced tea with an original roof. And we got Sir Rodney Roadster with no roof. And what is this called? Short order. It has that extendable deal in the back. Front end's blown out of it. Nice color though. Interesting. Light My Firebird. Been top coated with something. I'm not sure. Almost looks like they used like a clear nail polish or something. I don't know. Brighten it up a little bit here and there. A little custom work done to it. And we got a silhouette here. None of these cars are dead mint. They've all been down the track a few times. And we got the Ford racing car. This is one of the nicer ones in here. Try Baby. Not bad. What set wouldn't be complete without a little beatnik bandit going on here? Pretty cool. And we got a Torero. Is that Torero? Turbo. Sorry, I don't have all the names. This is Turbo Fire. Turbo Fire looks similar. Kind of a brownish color. Paddy wagon. Enamel version. And one more tray to go through. Gotta have a Red Baron. Club car. Mustang. Not too bad. Like somebody redid the stripes and put black around the engine. I have the bug with the bug on top. Plastic bottom. Pretty nice Monte Carlo stalker. Redline. Flying Low. Here's one you don't see very often. 57 Chevy with Redlines. Almost never see that car in Redlines. Let's see if I can get this thing out of here. Got a custom fleet side. Somebody tried to do a little custom paint on. Oh, has that. It was gold at one time. An orangey gold color. And this one is the Shelby turbine in red. And then there's a couple of Dioras Kind of a goldish color. And then we got a purple with a Ferrari sticker on it. Well, maybe if Ferrari designed the truck, it'd look like that. Who knows? And we got a T-Bird here. Broken windshield. And this is now called Warpath. In Redline. Oh, this little thing flipped up or something. I don't know. Red, white, and blue colors. And last but not least, this one's not a Redline, but still pretty cool. Porsche P911. So these cars will be available for sale. I may put some on our auction site, our favorite auction site, or it'll be available at my shop, the Lily Pad in downtown Tacoma. Again, please like and subscribe. It really helps a lot. Thanks to everybody who has subscribed recently. We've really got a little boost going on there. And thanks a lot.